Hey guys, welcome back. In this one, I'm going to show you how to change your business portfolio name on Meta Business Suite. It's actually pretty quick and easy, so let's dive right in. So, first things first, head over to business.facebook.com and log into your account using your email and password. Uh, Once you're in, you should see a list of your business portfolios on the dashboard. Next, find the business portfolio you want to rename. On the right-hand side of that portfolio, you'll see a little gear icon. Yeah, that's the settings button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you're inside settings, you'll land on the portfolio page. At the very top left, click on Business Portfolio Info. That's where all your details are stored. Here's the part we need. At the top, you'll see your current portfolio name, portfolio ID, and primary page. On the right side of the name field, there's a little edit button. Click that. Now just type in the new name you want to use for your portfolio. Once you're done, hit save, and boom, it's updated instantly. If you don't see the change right away, don't panic. Just refresh the page. After reloading, you should see the updated name right there at the top left. And yeah, that's all there is to it. Pretty simple, right? So if you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and check out my other Meta Business Suite tips. See you in the next one.